Changing your primary email on East West Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the East West Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section in the main menu. Click on it to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select email preferences. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and update your primary email address. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation email at your new address. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting East West Bank customer support for assistance.